You do not need to love discipline to build it. In fact, most people do not enjoy discipline at the beginning. They do not enjoy waking up early. They do not enjoy studying when they would rather relax. They do not enjoy exercising when the bed feels warm. They do not enjoy working on goals when entertainment is only one click away. So, if you are waiting to feel motivated before you become disciplined, you may be waiting for a very long time. Discipline is not about always feeling ready. It is about learning how to act even when you do not feel like it. Think about brushing your teeth. You probably do not wake up every morning feeling excited to brush your teeth, but you still do it. Why? Because it has become part of your routine? You do not debate it. You do not need a motivational video. You do not need to feel inspired. You simply do it. That is what discipline should become. Not a daily battle, a normal part of your life. The first step is to stop making discipline feel huge. Most people fail because they start with impossible promises. They say, from tomorrow I will wake up at 5 in the morning. I will exercise every day for 2 hours. I will study for 6 hours. I will never use my phone again. Then one difficult day arrives. They fail once, and they decide they are not disciplined. But discipline is not built through extreme plans. It is built through small promises that you actually keep. Start with something almost too easy. Do 5 push-ups, read 1 page, work for 10 minutes, wake up 10 minutes earlier. The action may look small, but it sends a powerful message to your brain. I keep promises to myself. And that message matters. Because discipline is not only about what you do, it is about who you believe you are. Every time you keep a small promise, you become someone who trusts themselves more. The second step is to make the right action easier. Do not rely on willpower. Willpower is limited. If your phone is next to you while you are trying to study, you will probably check it. If junk food is always in front of you, you will probably eat it. If your workout clothes are hidden somewhere in a drawer, you will probably skip the workout. Your environment decides more than your motivation. Put your phone in another room. Keep the book on your desk. Prepare your clothes the night before. Make the good choice obvious. Make the bad choice inconvenient. You do not need to fight yourself all day. You need to design your life so the right action becomes the easier action. The third step is to use a rule instead of a mood. Your mood changes every day. Some days you feel energetic. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel confident. Some days you want to do nothing. If you only work when you feel motivated, your progress will always be inconsistent. Instead, create simple rules. For example, I will study for 10 minutes after dinner. I will walk for 15 minutes every morning. I will not open social media before finishing my most important task. Rules remove the need to decide. And fewer decisions mean less resistance. The fourth step is to expect discomfort. Many people quit because they think discipline should feel good, but discipline often feels boring. It can feel repetitive. It can feel uncomfortable. That does not mean you are doing it wrong. It means you are doing something that requires effort. The goal is not to enjoy every moment. The goal is to become comfortable with being uncomfortable. When your mind says, I do not want to do this, do not panic. Do not argue. Just say, I understand, but I am doing it anyway. That is discipline. Not being fearless, not being perfectly motivated, just continuing even when your feelings disagree. The fifth step is to track your progress. Use a calendar. Put a small check mark every day you complete your habit. At first, the check mark may seem meaningless, but after a few days, you will not want to break the chain. You will start protecting your streak, and slowly the habit becomes part of your identity. You are no longer someone who is trying to be disciplined. You are someone who shows up. And finally, forgive yourself when you miss a day. Missing one day does not destroy your progress. Quitting after missing one day does. Do not turn one mistake into a new lifestyle. If you skip a workout, return tomorrow. If you waste a day, restart the next morning. Discipline is not perfection. It is returning again and again. You do not need to love discipline today. You only need to stop running from the small actions that build it. Make one promise, keep it, then make another. Because every small action is a vote for the person you want to become. And one day, you will realize that discipline did not make your life smaller. It gave you control over it,